morning, Falcons. Welcome to Cardinal Center, where we recap Torrey Pines sports news. I'm your host, Grayson Bonanno. This past week, varsity baseball played Elk Grove from Sacramento and unfortunately lost 6-4, making their record 11-3 this season. Even with the loss, senior pitcher Eric Van Valkenburg was lights out for most of the game. And senior Junior Barajas hit a home run to help get the Tories offense started. Offensively, senior Cole Wilson, AJ Guliana worked hard to steal bases. Varsity softball played Mission Vista last Tuesday at home and won 13-1. Their season is off to a great start. Freshman Kelly Wheelihan, sophomore Ava Fagan, and senior Kira Chan all had good at-bats, helping their team gain the lead over Mission Vista. In the field, sophomore Catherine McGinty helped Mission Vista off the bases for most of the game with her pitching, leading only one run to Mission Vista. Next up, varsity badminton completed last Wednesday's versus Kearney High School and won 11-6, continuing their undefeated season. As you can see, the pair senior Keely Wang and junior Hanako Kato had a strong defensive game, using clear shots to keep the birdie from falling to the backcourt. The pair was also strong offensively, which you can see by the forehand smash used here with the point. Rebounding out this week's Cardinal Center, both varsity track beat LCC on Wednesday, April 13th. The girls came in at 80 points compared to LCC's 55. And the boys team fought hard but ultimately lost overall with a 1-point difference. Boys Cardinals golf squad beat LCC last Wednesday 181-198, and the gold squad beat Vista High School 206-266. Girls lacrosse won 16-9 on Wednesdays versus La Costa Canyon. Each week, Cardinal Center, we will continue to highlight different sports. Thank you for watching today's segment. Until next time, I'm your host, Grayson Bonanno. Now, let's see if any students had some luck guessing at the riddle.